Practice and review. The phrase in Spanish reads, El carro blanco, which means the white car. El means the, and it's a masculine definite article. Carro means car, and it's a masculine noun that ends in an O. Blanco means white, and it's the masculine form of the word. In Spanish, the noun typically goes before the adjective. Try reading this one. Los carros blancos, which means the white cars. Los is a plural definite article. Carros is a plural masculine noun meaning cars. Blancos is the plural masculine form of the adjective white and agrees with carros in gender and number. Try reading this one. Un carro blanco. This can mean a white car or one white car. Try reading this one. Unos carros blancos. Some white cars. Try reading this one. Tres carros blancos. Three white cars. The phrase in Spanish reads La casa blanca, which means the white house. La means the, and it's a feminine definite article. Casa means house, and it's a feminine noun that ends in an A. Blanca means white, and it's the feminine form of the word. Try reading this one. Las casas blancas. The white houses. Remember what we said about nouns. Some nouns end in a consonant and can be either masculine or feminine. For example, balón and flor. Both end in a consonant, but balón is a masculine because we say el balón, while flor is a feminine because we say la flor. Now take a look at the word azul. It doesn't change whether the noun it describes is masculine or feminine. This is true for any color that does not end in O or A. Colors like azul, verde, café, and gris stay the same for both genders. However, these colors do change when the noun becomes plural. For example, un carro verde, unos carros verdes. Since verde ends in a vowel, we simply add s to make it plural. La pieza dorada, the golden piece. La pieza plateada, the silvery piece. Verde claro, light green. Verde oscuro, dark green. El lápiz rojo, the red pencil. Los lápices rojos, the red pencils. How do you say one red car in Spanish? Un carro rojo. How do you say 9 green cars in Spanish? Nueve carros verdes. How do you say 5 pink cars in Spanish? 5 carros rosados. Well done! You've just completed the practice and review for lessons 5 to 7. In these lessons, we learned the names of colors in Spanish, how to say dark, light, golden, and silvery, and how to match colors with nouns by gender, like blanco and blanca. We also covered singular and plural nouns, how to make them plural using s, es, and ces, and how to use definite and indefinite articles like el, la, un, and una. You practice combining masculine nouns with the correct masculine articles and adjectives, and saw how colors that don't end in o or a, like verde or gris, stay the same for gender but change for number, like verde to verdes. Keep up the great work, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson.